So pretty much I'm just going to go through with the camper now and just run through different bits and pieces just to show you all how it works and that it works. So pretty much at the back of the camper we've got a few different switches which are for the lights. So you've got a shelf light there which turns on the lights up above the shelf and then also above the batteries there. So that's that one there. The cooking light pretty much is the light that is directly above the cooker. So pretty much while you're cooking, there's a light directly above it just going down on top of what you're cooking on. The shelving that we had, we pretty much just used it for food and then also storing plates and cups and bits and pieces like that. And then also your cutlery tray at the bottom there. Cooking wise, we just had a 2-burner stove which we would just pull out, open up, and then I had a long gas that would go then from the gas bottle down into the side of the cooker there. Looking at the fridge slide, it's nice and easy. I can do it with one hand, push out, and then it drops down. And after it drops down, you can also open the lid. And then there's a little clip at the top just to hold the fridge open so you can still get all your stuff out. So that closes up. In regards to the electrical setup, you've got the 2 batteries down there. You've got your solar there, solar regulator, so it tells you how much amps and everything else that's putting out at the moment, which is nothing because there's no sun on the panel. I've also got a volt button. You push the button up there, it'll tell you how many volts are in the battery, so 13 volts at the moment, with a CTEK charger there, which is 240 volts, so it'll charge the batteries while it's plugged in, all with fuses up there as well, so all labelled, make it nice and easy. Now I've also got a power inverter up the top there, which has got a lead that runs up and into the tent. So at the back here there's an orange red lead that goes up into the tent so you can charge your cameras and your laptop and everything else while you're up there. While we on this side, we've got up the top there's just a shelf. We had tables and ladder and everything up there. Just makes it easier to get bits and pieces down. I'm going to stop it and then we'll go to the next video. Okay, at the back of the camper we've got just a tap, which pretty much turns on. Other way. So that there is run from the water tank inside, which is an 80 litre water tank, and it's filled up just on the top there. There's a lid, so you fill it up and that's plumbed through with a water pump. So on the back here we've also got another button, nice and easily accessible for all the lights inside, so you can see everything that's in this side of the camper. On this side pretty much it's just storage, so we just used it for storing stuff. It'll come with the crates and everything underneath it, which is good because it fits the space that's in there. At the front here we've got a little button actuator up and actuator down. Now what that does is your solar panel at the front it'll tilt. So we unclip it at the front, unclip the other side, and then what it does is it'll tilt. So if I push up, it'll go up, and that'll go all the way tilting to the back, which is good if you've got sun, you're not in the right position for the sun, so you can just use the actuator and you can move it from the ground. It's nice and easy. So it's up and back down. I would keep it down for driving. On the front we've got a plug there, which is just an Anderson plug, so you can charge the batteries from the car as well. Okay, video number 3. Okay, so we do have hand winders, but majority of the time I use a drill because it's a lot quicker to wind up and down. Now all the legs, there's a little spot between the floor there and the water tank. You can stand all 4 legs up in there. They get strapped on and they don't move. When it's on the car, I've got these little brackets. So pretty much that slides into that hole that's down there, and then it'll go down and it hooks underneath my tray, and then I just do the bolts up nice and tight. So that's fine for the front. On the back I would probably have to make another set, just so it hooks onto the back, because mine was a dual cab and it actually overhang the back, and mine used to stay on with the couple of hooks that are underneath. I would hook that down. On the back of the camper, reverse light, which can be turned on at any time as well as another light. I have a reversing camera in my car, so that's the camera part of that, which is easy enough to get the actual screen side as well. On the bottom, we've just got a normal trailer plug, and then the 4-pin for the camera. Now the trailer plug just uses for the reverse lights, and then also just for your tail lights.